Hello, guys. Welcome back to Life with Tara. All right, guys. So it's 4th of July. I am cooking. I'm getting things in order. I hope everyone had a wonderful week as well. And also a wonderful 4th of July because by the time that I post this, 4th of July will be over. All right, guys, let's get straight into the video. All right, so before I start, I wanted to show you guys some of the seasonings that I'm going to use to season up my lobster tails and my crab legs. You guys may already have these in your cabinet, so let's get to it. Okay, so this is some complete seasoning. I have some onion powder, some paprika. Hold on. All right, lemon pepper. I have some accent seasoning here. Let's see. All right, I might use this. This is the crab oil. This is the concentrated kind by Zatarain. Black pepper. I also have 2 lemons to juice on the crab legs and stuff. I have some butter, some seasoning salt, and some Sazon. Now, that's the kind that usually has the packet. You just open them. Now, also, this is some Old Bay seasoning. This one has lemon and herb. All right, so we're starting here with just a pan. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add my seasonings to the bottom of the pan because we're going to cook these in the oven. So what you see here is I'm just adding some seasoning salt. I'm just pouring everything at the bottom. Next, I'm going to use my onion powder. And it may look like I'm using a lot of seasoning, but guys, I promise you it's not. And it's going to make these smackalicious good. I'm so serious. All right, so next I'm going to use some complete seasoning. You just want to make sure that you have all the flavors that you're looking for. You know what? I did not add, and you know what I might try to add next time? Maybe 1 or 2 bay leaves. I think that will bring out another earthy flavor. I just love bay leaves in my seafood when I'm usually boiling them, so I'll try that next time. But next I'm just going to add some paprika, but I forgot to open my seasonings, so give me a moment while I open them. But yes, everything that I'm adding, I'm just eyeballing it based on my liking. You guys can add more, you can add less. If you want to add something else, it's perfectly fine. All right, so again, forgot to open my seasoning. Give me a moment. Struggling a little bit. But I do want to know what you guys are cooking. Make sure that you guys leave that information down below, because I do want to know. Right there, I just added some parsley flakes. They're dried. Now here is the package for the Sazon. I'm going to just use the whole package. I love the flavor that it brings. Also, it brings that like reddish, orangish looking color. I think that just makes it look even much more better. All right, so next, I'm going to add my black pepper. I'm just cracking it by myself. Yeah, so I wanted to know what everyone made for the 4th of July. Leave it, your information down below. Let me know what you guys made. How was your 4th of July? I hope everyone had a great time. I just decided this is what I wanted to eat. I was like, this is what I'm in the mood for. All right, so now you see I just added some accent seasoning. It took me a while to get my seasonings together. I caught myself laying everything out, and I still was trying to struggle with opening the containers. You know, it happens. All right, so here I'm adding the Old Bay seasoning. Again, remember, I'm just eyeballing it. Next time, I may actually leave like the information on how many tablespoons or so you need. Also, I did leave out one other thing, maybe two other things. I need to add garlic, so make sure you guys get some minced garlic as well, because that you do not want to do seafood without garlic. So here I'm using a tablespoon of minced garlic. You could do more, you could do less. It just all depends on your preference. All right, so next I'm going to add my liquid. Now I'm gonna use this here. This is chicken bouillon. Now, you can do chicken broth if you want, or you can just use the chicken bouillon. I usually do like a cup of water with a tablespoon of chicken bouillon. I mix it together to make sure it's like completely dissolved. And then that's what I would use for like my chicken broth if I don't feel like, using the chicken broth that's already pre-made. So, yeah, I'm just gonna dump that. This is the cup. I'm gonna dump that into the mixture. And then I'm also gonna do just a half a cup of just plain water, just to make sure that there is more than enough liquid at the bottom of the pan, because I want these to steam. And then I'm also gonna just, dab the mixture on top of the crab legs. Okay, so you want to make sure that you mix it up pretty well, because you want all those flavors incorporated. All right, so next what you want to do is you want to add the butter. So what I did is I melted 3 tablespoons of butter and in the microwave. Now, if it's not completely melted, it's okay. Just mix it together as best you can, because it will melt while it's in the oven. Now you just want to mix that all together with the seasonings as well. And I use unsalted butter. If you want, you can use salted. I would just maybe add a little less seasoning. I didn't add that much salt to my mixture. All right, so I've added my crab legs. Now all you're seeing me do is I have like this little brush, and I'm just dabbing all that good mixture, that flavor. I want it all inside of the crab legs. So you just want to make sure that you get it all over them. So I'm going to speed things up from here. So I'll show you guys how everything looks in the next clip. Okay, so here I've already added 1 lobster tail. So what I'm doing is I am using my brush to get all that flavor from the bottom of the pan, and I'm just adding it on top of the lobster tail. Now this is going to make these so good. All that butter, all the herbs that I use, oh my gosh, it's going to just give these lobster tails life. I promise you that. So I only have 3 lobster tails here. As you see, I already put all the sauce all over the other crab legs. So I'm just gonna finish up adding seasonings here to this last lobster tail, and then we're gonna go ahead on to the next clip. Look at how good these lobster tails and crab legs look. Oh my gosh. Okay. All right, so next thing that I want to add is some lemon juice. I'm just gonna squeeze one full lemon on them. You want all that juice all over them. And I'm just squeezing the lemon in my hand this way so that way it catches the seeds. I don't want any seeds to drop inside of my food. You want to make sure that you get that lemon juice all over it because it's just going to bring out that seafood flavor and just add another depth of flavoring here. All right, so I'm gonna wash my hands and show you guys what I do next. All right, so it's time to now put these in the oven. You want to put it in the oven for about 350, but don't forget the foil. Leave them in for 30 minutes. All right, so I'm taking a break from the kitchen. I'm just allowing the kids to go swimming. Wow, my food is finishing up cooking. I'm pretty much almost done with everything. So I'm just out here with the kids, allowing them to have some fun. All right, guys, so this is now the end of the video, but I hope that you all had a wonderful 4th of July. Now, I did end up making some more stuff outside of just the crab legs. I didn't just make the crab legs and the oh my gosh, I keep forgetting the name of them. The crab legs and the lobster tails. I also made some other stuff, so I'm gonna show you guys what I made. Right, so we have the scrumptious crab with the lobster tails, looking amazing. I have some broccoli. I have some macaroni and cheese. Yum, yum, yum. I have my ribs, and then I also end up doing some grilled shrimp. My baby is hungry over here. He just got wet. Look at my little baby. He's over here like, Mommy, come on, feed me. Tell him you're hungry.
I was hungry because I couldn't eat anything at the jumper.
Yep, and he went swimming, and his brother's outside. He's not ready for food. So,
Masai is in the jumper.
Is he? Okay.
We both were in the jumper being good.
Okay. I'm glad that you guys have fun, though. Alright guys, so you guys need to make this. Like, look at how good all this food looks. It looks amazing. Hey guys, so thank you again for watching my video. Have a wonderful day. Oh, here's my other son. Say hi, Sai. Alright, so did you have fun? You're sweating like a storm. Alright, so we're all about to grab